Hey there, welcome to LSAT Demon Daily. I'm Ben Olson, that's Nathan Fox. We're the founders of LSATdemon.com and our weekly podcast, Thinking LSAT. We have an email here from Yi King. The subject is Quitting Teach for America.
I've heard that a lot in my years of doing LSAT prep. Have you?
Mm-hmm. A lot of people do it. A lot of people
complain about it.
Don't like it, yeah. Some people do like it.
But a lot of people say they don't have time to study LSAT, let alone have any other kind of life because of Teach for America. Anyway, let's see what Yi King has to say about it. Hi, guys. I graduated from college last May, and I've been working in a Title I school as an English teacher. I'm part of Teach for America, a 2-year commitment. I'm thinking of quitting after this year, and I already have a paralegal offer at a corporate law firm. I'm worried about how quitting would look on my law school applications. Obviously, I would just list that I worked as a teacher for 1 year and leave out the fact that I was part of Teach for America at all. However, I fear that law schools may find it weird that I taught for 1 year and completely pivoted to corporate law. Also, I've heard that Teach for America is good to have on your applications, so I don't know if leaving would hurt my chances. I have a 3.98 GPA, and I am currently studying for the LSAT, averaging low 170s on my practice tests. What advice do you have for E. King?
Quit.
Yeah, same. It's a bummer, like you're doing good work with Teach for America. And I understand that you made a 2-year commitment, and sure, you're not going to be able to use Teach for America on your law school application. Who gives a shit? You're going to have a paralegal job on your law school application.
Which is more important anyways for deciding whether you should even go to law school.
100%. Teach for America has nothing to do with any kind of legal practice.
Yeah.
So it's not preparation for being a lawyer. Working in a law firm is the best preparation for being a lawyer. So you're going to come in with hopefully solid experience in a firm. Not only that, but you're going to get some better intelligence about whether law is even the right thing for you. You're not going to learn that in Teach for America, but you could learn that in the firm.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, it seems like pretty much a no-brainer here. Start your legal career. If you're sure that law is what you're going to do, well, get even more sure about it by going to the firm and just it's a different world. So it can only benefit you.
Can only benefit you. And by the way, if you end up not liking the corporate law environment, just like you don't like your job at Teach for America, be willing to quit your legal path too.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, definitely quit. Yeah. If you were writing a year from now saying, I quit Teach for America and I went into a corporate law firm as a paralegal because I was on the law school path, but I really hate it, then we would advise you to also quit that. And, maybe you go investigate another form of legal practice, like go work in the public defender's office. Do you like that better? Is that the kind of work you want to do?
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, just stop pursuing things that aren't working.
Or
if
something
you're not happy,
else
get out of
entirely. It. Yeah. Like it doesn't have to be law. Yeah.
Well, it's just a big part of life. Figuring out what you don't want.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Ruling out the things, like trying things and getting rid and passing on them.
Yeah.
Is a big part of life, I think.
Yeah. Yeah. Just the other day in class, someone was talking to me about how they didn't like their current job and now they're pursuing law. And it just seems to be this weird thing where it's like, I don't like X, therefore I'm going to do law. And boy, that's not necessarily an obviously easier or more enjoyable path. In fact, the evidence suggests that it's a less enjoyable, harder path for most people who are on it, let alone those who decided not to go on it.
What was that law review article called that we read?
Oh, yeah. What was it? Like unethical something? Is that the one?
Unethical, unhealthy, and unhappy or something like that. And it was a law review article from a law professor who teaches in law school talking about how unhealthy, unhappy, and unethical the legal profession is.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, and I agree with you, Ben. I mean, people even write their personal statements like that. Like, oh, well, I hate my job as an accountant, so that's why law school.
Yeah, that's a reason why not to do accounting. That's not a reason why you should do law. That's
Yeah.
a classic flaw.
Yeah. What do you actually want to do? The fact that you have pivoted from Teach for America, irrelevant. Are you going to succeed in this corporate law firm? Are you going to love your life as a paralegal? If so, then that's pretty good evidence that law is a good fit for you. But yeah, be prepared to get into the firm and hate it.
And quit
And
again.
if you do, back to the drawing board. Like,
Yeah.
try something else.
Thanks for
Thanks, E.
writing in.
King.
Yeah. Email daily at lsatdemon.com if you'd like to ask us a question or share some LSAT or Law School admissions news. Thanks for listening.